Good evening, everyone. I, Salita, and
Shruti
are the hosts for today's show. We welcome you all to the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 2, an initiative by L&D Global Mumbai and Connector.
Hi Aditi, hi Neha, how are you guys doing today?
Hi, I'm doing great. Neha, what about you?
I'm pretty good too. Neha, what are you feeling?
I think Neha is so bored because of the lockdown.
Yes. At least she's bored with the lockdown. My online lectures are actually going on right now. In fact, my academic year just released for the upcoming semester, and my entire 1 month, one semester is going to be online. Aditi, do you think this is what modern education is going to be?
I think this might actually be what modern education is going to be like for future. But don't you sometimes miss the old school experience where you go to the college, you sit a few lectures, you bunk a few lectures?
Yeah, man, I really do. Actually, I think now there are two types of education. One is old and one is modern. Aditi, what do you think would be the differences between them?
If you're talking about the difference between traditional education and modern education, I think there is a difference between their reach, their audience, and their cost as well. To actually put a level beyond that, I think modern education might help us understand some complex contemporary topics like gender equality, equality and equity, and so on. But Ashar, I think people are suffering from some misconceptions about modern education.
Yeah, actually, I think one of the biggest misconception is about how it is uninteractive. But I don't believe so. I think this online classes with the online practice and stimulation and practice assignments I get to do online, it is actually very interactive and helps me retain the concept more clearly. Also, they think that it is very time consuming, but I don't think so because I can use it on a laptop, a tab, laptop, tab, phone, anything that I wish to use. I can just click one button and I can use it. So these are certain things which I think are misconceptions which have to be clarified. Neha, would you like to take us through why modern education is important?
Yes. So yes. So question is why these needs are so important in the modern education today. So first thing is understand the right and wrong perspective. It's so important to understand the right and wrong differentiation between because the more we'll understand, the less will we make the mistakes. Second, the compatibility. Compatibility is so important in today's life because understanding this race game all is in this today's world. Third, another factor is like a social need. Social need is also important. I remember the Maslow's theory. In this Maslow's theory, we will discover that the social need is so important to develop the each other interested in each other and build the relationship in between. Another factor, the social in the modern education is the parent, student, and teachers relationship. This relationship is so important to build and confident level to the to students and improve and build their capability. Another one is the precise education and lesser and space contradiction and the interactiveness between the teachers and the student. It's so important. And the more important is accessibility. All background of the student, it must be sure to this education will provide the easily accessible for the student. So Aditi, can you tell me what are the needs to gratify this needs?
I think your answer will be in front of you in a few seconds. And these are some tools which became very popular, online learning tools which became very popular in past 5 years or so. So these are the few tools, and if you actually look at them a little deeply, they cater to a wide variety of audience. For example, Byju's is actually for mostly for school-going kids, whereas Coursera is for professionals who are wishing to do a course simultaneously of their job. But Aishwarya, do you think just the introduction of these tools is going to pave the way for modern education, or do we need something
Um,
more?
while the tools of this modern online learning are very important, I think the government also has taken important steps towards refining some of the education policies in the year. I think one of the most important things would be trying to improve the literacy and the communication, the numeracy by the year 2025. That is one of their goals. The second goal is to try and provide pre-primary education by the year 2025. This is important because that is where you start learning the vowels, the pronunciations, and the consonants and the use. The importance for other subjects apart from science, which is physics, chemistry, math, the importance on literature, classical languages, classical learning is also something which the government is working toward. Apart from that, they have also provided several schemes for the students of different age groups to be motivated to be educated. So for the younger age group, you can see that they are providing midday meals, which is both nourishing the students as well as providing them the motivation to continue studying. For the secondary education, they are providing other scholarships such as merit cum means scholarship, where merit is based on academic consistency and means those which are falling under the low income background. And for higher education, they provide like IITs, IIMs, in fact providing scholarships for the students like Aditya Birla Group, KNC Mahindra Group. All of these are providing students to motivate them to study. Neha, would you like to tell us some of the things that modern education should include or should incorporate in the future?
So there aspect in the modern education. So the first is imparting the moral values. Moral values are so important in this education system because it makes the student more good human being rather than just an individual student. Then the practical knowledge. Practical knowledge is so important to out of the way to out of the box we have to think and develop the skills in the student life. Then the sex education in the country like India, we even can't talk the sex education in front of a public, but that's why so we have to proper give education about this in our country. The sex education is like a very important to teach the student because the theory says that the sex education will improve the hormonal and mental health of the student and help to their relationships, help problem solving relationships, and the understanding the students area of the interest. Understanding the area of interest is so important that because what we love we have to do like that. So it's important to what we are interesting to invest in that. So it's modern education is so important to invest. That's all need. And um, and the vocal knowledge, of course, we have to be voice in our voice to our the knowledge. So it's important to in our to our ability to give there the vocal knowledge and polish them.
Just 1 minute left.
In the next slide we can see some pictures about just 1 minute. Okay, so in this picture we can see the number of news headlines like a murder, rape, robbery, and another sexual assault type of cases. As we know, we all heard about this bad news all day. So why this? The question is why this happened? Because of the lack of moral values in the our society. I would like to give this here example of a Japanese country. Japanese country is so developed, and they are provide their student till fourth standard. They give the moral education in their school. So I think we should have such like this education system to build the base of our strong education system. So there are
And
some very important points in modern education.
yeah, I completely agree with you, Neha. And I love what point you're trying to put forth, that modern education is not just about technology, but it is also about imbibing moral education in children who are at a very impactful age. So, Aishwarya, I hope that your question about what exactly modern education is like has been well answered.
Yeah, actually, I think we had a complete overview of modern education, and I think it is something important in our life right now. And we can see something like this evolving a lot in the future as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for being present here today.
That was an amazing session. Thank you everyone for attending it and making it successful. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you.
Stay tuned and keep watching LND Global Mumbai and Connector.